Alright guys, this is my bike check. Uh, S&M frame. If you can see it. Um, Odyssey front rim triple wall. Alex back rim triple wall. It's all it runs triple walls. They're heavy but they're durable. Especially for dirt riding, you slam down sometimes. You fuck up, you know. It's all good though. Poverty cranks. DK pedals. Probably them poverty cranks suck. Don't buy them. They're like $34. I didn't have any money at the time, and I didn't have a crank, so I needed one. Animal stem. For Christmas, I'm getting new brakes. Those are actually Tech 77, but I don't like gyros. It's not the Tech 77 problem. It's just gyro. I don't like them. So, but it's the way I bought the bike. So I'm running a straight line back. So we'll go fix that. The wall tires. Let's see if I can. The wall. The wall. The wall, niggas. Can-Am chain, white, as you can see. That's it. See ya.